Welcome back to the Open Live Show. Earlier on, we said we're going to be having Stellar British on set. We have the hottest person inside the studio right now. Always with ladies them. Always singing for the girls them. And they're going to be singing for the girls them right here on the Upper Live Show. Stellar British, you ready?
Yeah, man.
Yes. I don't know a style of British in the building I represent. Big up all of the artists in the building. Cause you don't know I do it where I do it, don't. Yes. That really may sound different. But you don't know my versatile. So I'm gonna say what go on, don't? Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh, what style and boy do you follow? Well, go see a be a gal about my color. Rather go cheap and clean and have no gal like Shabba. But some man a man them a follow me say me make some boy them not have no gal. Me say from long time me hear the gal a program. Me say gal is from me born and me still a Caribbean cause. And that a me slogan. Me say gal a say me sharper than a razor. Love to see me in a blazer. Turn up the treble upon my voice, yeah, make it clearer. Some boy even have a one gal in a them era. Gal is disease even spread it like malaria. Now lose if it start the pounds in the west and the sharer. Some girl from the past want the link in other era. Me just go against every girl like John era. Me a girl is done. Say me a me Monday girl, me Tuesday girl, me Wednesday girl, me Thursday girl, me Friday girl. Next day say me chill with me Saturday girl. Sunday step in a the church and take with the pastor girl. Monday girl, Tuesday girl, Wednesday girl, Thursday girl. Me say tell them on Friday I take away, so straight away me go deliver to me hungry girl. You see Monday, Opa Keisha the Funde. Although she claims say she have a next man a run there. Yeah, she tell me where the gun there. So if him step through the door, you know me nah run way. And you see Tuesday night over me Shelly and through the fight. And the two of them want use the mic and so me know me. And you see Wednesday, happy Wednesday. She forwarding us something sexy. Never reply to the text from Lexi. Cause she know what Thursday she be check me. At the island of the
No, I swear to you, see that? This is the stage you need to be on right here. Stellar British. No, we need to talk about the Thursday girl again. You need to give me that Thursday for the Thursday girl. So Thursday girls, Stellar British one more time.
Yes, man. Me represent for all the girls them, you know. Big up every artist in the building. All of we there do it, you know. Yes, son? Any boy not like that can knock. Yes, son? But here we go on now. That one I name 7 days. Just like the calendar. So one of the man never know they change girl every day. You can't represent down. Cause me and me Monday girl, me Tuesday girl, me Wednesday girl, Thursday girl, Friday girl. Next day say me chill with me Saturday girl. Sunday step in at the church and take with the pastor girl. Monday girl, Tuesday girl, Wednesday girl, Thursday girl. Me say tell them on Friday I take away, so straight away me go deliver to me hungry girl. You see Monday, up at Tuesday the fun day. Although she claims say she have a next man a run there. She tell me where the gun there. So if him step through the door, you know me now run way. And you see Tuesday night over me Shelly and through the fight. And the two of them want use the mic. And so me know me I touch them right. And you see Wednesday, happy Wednesday. She forwarding us something sexy. Never reply to the text from Lexi. Cause she know what Thursday she be check me. At the island on me back, she come fi empty the tie cost me cocky lengthy. Posh punani still denty. Can me cocky is a Bentley. Slap your whole fi 6 reach a century. Monday girl, Tuesday girl, Wednesday girl, Thursday girl. I see after me say that. Cause some boys say them a girl is, but them a lying up. I mean say, oh, some boy you talk about them a gal is and still yet them a mad over gal. We are the done. When you come on to gal thing, you know say we are the general. Me never be plan. Anytime you see me fresh up on the road, me have to get a new gal. Me a gal is for life. Gal is for life. Gal is for life. I'm gonna say again. I told the bag and man thing me no join up. Outside me gate me a be a gal a line up. Autograph time gal breast I get sign up. Gal them a say style a sick like sinus. I told them gal no stop tell me say me famous. She go put me name on her BB status. In her bed where she born navigate us. And if them gal meet we she born level. want to say something, because I be a weed me and smoke from morning, brother. Hold on. I just smoke a spliff, don't
Yeah.
I mean say tell them I weed me and smoke on the ends. And if me run out, me make a phone call to me shot a friend cause I weed him myself. Looking at me eyes it a blade. You know see me eyes it as well. Weed me and smoke on the ends. And if me run out, me make a phone call to me shot a friend cause I weed him myself. Looking at me eyes it a blade. You know see me boom. Cause when me mix the weed with the grabber, start talk stammer, short try me Jaffy a baba. Yeah, link me gal named Anna, sexy like Rihanna, play with her breasts like piano. Bada body biddy bidaba, a gal inna me bedroom, she no stop get dagger. Yeah, me make she fall for her mother. I mean I know no judge, but she no stop call me your runner. I weed me and smoke on the ends. I'm ever represent the ladies them before me leave down. You know what one day? What should I do again? I mean say me a kicky back her, she still naked. She start move X-rated. Me have to touch her and ask her, my girl, why you so creative? She say she bad, but me no say me bother. Just like when me mix the weed with the grabber. The way how me have her, she change up the grammar. She say me a the dada. Half of the bed say she want go for the chair. Me still a stab because you know say me no care. Me a real talk so me no go run already. Baba root me I think you see me back and I no beer. Girl wind up your body for me. Where you a move me know you feel on it. Brother me no overdo it in that style of British I represent. Everything up from me, you understand? Because the whole of me linking them in the street. Drizzle up and gunning. You never see it rain without it drizzle. The whole brother link up and gunning. Showtime gaming on the building. Up! Any boy in the light that go muck.
Style British people, just me, the baddest young artist right here inside the UK, the Upper Live Show. Thank you very much for coming through, and it's a pleasure having you passing through. And do make sure you see you forward again. We get it right? Forward, yeah?
Nah, come, me forward. And tell a girl to come.
I'm not even gonna go there. Well, Upper Live Show, do stick and steer. If you're an artist out there, you want to get involved with the show, make sure you log on to the website. That's www.worldmark.com. Click onto the Upper Live tab. Get in contact with us, and we will get in contact with you. Yes. Website, Upper Live Show, right here, every week. Style British.
Bless her, bless her.
Listen.